There is nothing you can't do with this microcontroller. There are too many types of Arduino, but you probably will use one of these three types. The most popular model is the Uno model, which works with Atmega 328P processor. And this is Arduino Uno clone. It's just a replica model and isn't much different from the original Arduinos. And also you can buy it for just $5. If you are talking about the technical details, on the right side of the Arduino there are 14 digital pins along with SDA, SCL and a ground pin. And also you can use pins 0 and 1 as a receiver and transmitter for serial communication. When we look at the left side of the Arduino, we can see some power pins like 5 volts, a reset pin, 3.3 volts, 2 ground pins and 1 win pin, which can be used for powering the Arduino. And also there are 6 analog pins. Here we have a reset button. Right next to it there is an Ethernet port for uploading the code. And finally, there is an input where we can power the Arduino with 9 or 12 volts. And lastly, here we can see some extra pins like power pins, serial communication pins, and so on. We use Arduino IDE software to write, compile, and upload the code to Arduino boards. You can download it from your web browser. When you create a new sketch, there will appear two sections, void setup and void loop. When you upload the code to Arduino, void setup runs only once while void loop runs continuously. And if you are using a clone Arduino, you have to download CH340 driver to your PC. You can find how to do it on my channel. Thanks for watching.